It made me think.
I like the land of forgotten things. That's cool.
Lost in the land of forgotten things.
That is really cool.
Which is interesting though, because aren't you the daughter of her? So you aren't existent yet. So how can you be forgotten if you never existed to begin with?
Interesting.
I like Alex's line of what is feeling, because it kind of relates back to what we were saying before. Why does he seem like so not into the scene?
But then it made me think, what is feeling?
Oh.
Yeah, going deep.
It made me wonder how he's gonna use this information. So he's overhearing all this stuff about painting your way, and I'm like wondering what is he gonna do with that now?
I thought it the first time, and I also thought it the second time. When you asked, how do I can go through the painting? You went through the painting to get there. But it's this thing that all humans do. If you do it once, you have to figure out how to do it again. So it's just, I thought that was, because that's human
Do
nature.
we know that? Well, I guess she said you painted your way in.
Yeah. If you painted your way in, you'll just have to paint your way out.
I appreciate, Alex, the quirkiness of that character and like a lot of the fantastical elements of a lot of these entries that we're getting, but you played it with such honesty and respect, so it was still funny and interesting, but it was real at the same time, which was nice.
We were kind of discussing this, and I was wondering, like, how she would not be affected in the land of forgotten things, and Danielle made the point of, well, I wouldn't be born yet in her world, so like how the two worlds collide, and I guess like what that actually means, and like what happens.
Well, no, please.
It made me think of my character and how he was so apathetic, but really just what had happened before then. We originally spoke about perhaps staying in this world is what drains you of the emotion, because she starts to say how she's only seeing things in black and white, and that's part of what drives the urgency of having to go back to where you're from. But also what would have happened if we had more text before this, where that character would have gone, or had they just been there the whole time, or had they been there for longer, and had he slowly been drained of his emotion throughout the time.
Which
And
makes
the idea of the daughter being forgotten but she's not born yet kind of made me think of, well, are there other planes, are there other levels, and are there other things at force here that she would be in this land of forgotten, the land of forgotten, and yet she's not born yet to this person, but is there some other kind of realm going on, and maybe he's from another realm, kind of, yeah.
Is that maybe why he doesn't have feelings anymore? I don't know. That makes me wonder about who you are and like why you don't have feelings in comparison. Did you lose your parent? Like, did your parent not go back to that world?
Did he ever
And
have
that's
feelings?
what happened? I don't know. Like, that's interesting.
Nice, moving on.